Maybe that's why you feel different lately. The version of you that survived winter is not the same person walking into the spring. You carried so much in silence, and somehow, your soul still chose to bloom again. You lost things, people, versions of yourself, dreams you thought would stay forever. And maybe part of you is still standing in front of closed doors, holding old keys and shaking hands. But deep down, something inside you already knows. Maybe this isn't the end of the life you loved. Maybe it's the beginning of the life that will finally love you back.